The following video will take you through application of our SB55 compliance system for protecting catalytic converters against theft. You will need the SAFECAT labels, a thermal printer, and the patent-protected high-temperature printable labels and ribbon. Both the VIN label and the SAFECAT label need to be added to both protect your cat from theft and to comply with the SB55 legislation. The patented label and ribbon are to print the VIN and apply to the cat. To send the VIN to the printer, there are a number of possibilities. One option is to use a barcode scanner to scan any VIN barcode which may be attached to the vehicle or to the paperwork accompanying the vehicle. This will transmit the VIN directly to the printer software. Another option is to cut and paste into the printer software provided from the digital documentation sent by the vehicle manufacturer. If neither of these are possible, it is simple to manually input the VIN into the box on the printer software. Remember, you need one of each label, SAFECAT and VIN, per cat, and not one per vehicle. Once you have printed out the VIN label, it is a simple method of application. Firstly, check that the cat is cold. You're going to have to touch it, so don't try immediately after a long journey. It is important that the surface of the cat is in a good, clean condition, free from any corrosion, rust, dirt or grease. This will give an optimum bonding surface for the etched mark, the Ultra Destruct label and the VIN label. Note that this applies to a new cat as much as to an older one, as new ones still have residue from manufacture and install on the surface. Once the surface is clean and dry, the labels can be applied. Both a VIN label and SAFECAT label need applying to each cat for the system to both be compliant and protect from theft. Both labels must be applied directly to the cat, not to the heat shield or exhaust. In this case, there are two sets of labels because this vehicle has two cats. Once you have applied the labels, you will not be able to remove them in one piece, so ensure the locations where you're going to place the labels are identified before removing the backing paper. It is important to apply the SAFECAT label first. Once you are happy with the locations, peel the SAFECAT label from the backing paper and stick to the cat, using the backing paper to press firmly against the surface to ensure it is adhered correctly. Apply the etching fluid to the label using the applicator provided. Ensure that all the holes in the label are filled so that the unique identifying code will be etched into the cat's surface under this label. It is not necessary to remove any excess fluid once applied. Secondly, take the VIN label and apply to the cat's clean, dry surface. Note this location does not have to be adjacent to the SAFECAT label and will depend on access to the cat. To apply this label, peel off the backing paper and carefully apply to the cat. There must be no air bubbles beneath the label as they will create hot spots which may compromise both the legibility of the label and the bond. No cleaning fluid must be used on the surface of the ceramic label before heating, as the ribbon is not fully embedded through the ceramic until a curing cycle has been completed. Now repeat the process on the other cats if necessary. Once done, apply the two window warning stickers to the two front side windows. To complete curing, the vehicle should be run for a minimum of 16 minutes. Note that the vehicle does not need to be stationary for this heating cycle. It can be done on your journey home. The SAFECAT label is the ultimate protection in theft deterrent. The main aim of this proven system is to deter theft of the protected cat. The second is to aid recovery if it is stolen. Thank you for watching this Retainer Group video. For more information on our anti-theft offerings, visit our website www.retainergroup.com.